boys like that, her face was about to lose, because her heart slowly began to grow. Lucy can feel his full back, George was her darling child. Again, happy Mother's
Mother pala. Bakit naman naman sila Jerry? Nakakawawa. Hindi ka kasi kasi.
ang hirap yung mabuti. Pero, nabuti.
Sarap lang mahirap ang puti. Sarap.
Abusulan. Limang kaya lang limang abusulan. Pero, bitter. Before I learned from me and I learned from you. Ang dami yung lessons na binigay sa akin. So, sana yung mga advices, hindi rin yung advice na binigay. Diba? You ask me an advice, pero it's up to you. Akin ba rin yung binigay na hindi mo kaya ng moment. So, pwede yung gawin. So, salamat. Anak-anak mo, hindi ko rin sila. Kung rin ang kaya, ang tawag nyo, I really do appreciate what you do. Hindi ko ba nagawas na? Wala tayong pera. Kaya pala puro very true reality. Ayun hindi ko na pera. O yan, so, nag-nais ko isang buwan na lamang ako. Makain na natin. Nagay naman kayo mga kapang. Oo. So, sana, I'm still waiting. Not only waiting. I'm praying na ayun na yung mga batang gusto pa. So if that happens, that can be the happiest place in the world. Thank you.
Kaya.
Okay, so baka na yung 40, ba nilitayin mo? Ang sa akin natin. Thank you. Ready na ba yung mga dancers?